Manipur asi Hiram Khudingmakta Inaak Keirak Khunba Lamdam Amani pothok Khudingmak state asida fangli adubu malemgi kaithelda yauhangadaba khaktamak ngairabani haina Manipur gi governor Bhalla na phongdokre. Bridging Business Sans Border haiba themda numit nini chupna chathagadaba Manipur Global Buyers and Sellers Summit 2025 ngasi Imphal gi Palace Compound leiba City Convention Center da hongdokre. Thoramaduda athoiba mitunglen oina saruk yakiba Governor Bhalla na hai Manipur asi medical institution, hospitality industry amadi IT sector da khumang sausilakli. Service sector da su lebaga sige amadi malem gi mafam pumbada state asigi miyoi kaya thabak tauri. Entrepreneurship ki lamjel da su khumang yang no changsali. Pangtok diba samira sina awang nongpok lamdam dagi Global Trade and Commerce ta Khongdanabagi khudong chaba piragani mahangna makha taraduna chahi anirom state asida economic activities sing maning hallurabasu ngasidi lanjenari basing yauna miyamna mathau tabalenga ki mateng loinana masana masa thabak pizaduna sel thumgi phibam fagatnanaba hotnabada saruk yare amaromda horticulture sector da shu organic product kaya puthokle thau thum amadi hidak langthak ki pambi kaya su puthok pangamle Ano pothok kaya puthok tuna sel thum gilamda mangzil thaba lamdam ama oiba ngamnanaba nupi singidamak MSME Ministry na Rising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM ki makhada Skill Enhancement Program kaya paikhatli. Program sigi makhada state sigi district tara taruktagi enterprise listing henbana udyam registration drive bandar upliftment program na chingbada chathari. State asida puthokliba pothok sing mapan lamda ningthina yauhanbagi tangai fadabalai haina governor na makhataki.
To the buyers from the neighboring countries and other international countries, I would like to say that our people are very flexible and they can adapt any of the things what is required in the world markets. We are handlooms and we are changing the designs as per the requirement. We are GI tagged horticulture products, we have organic production, we have natural farming of many things. And some of these things, if you've been seeing around, essential oils and medicinal plants, which are now getting explored, exploited, and commercial products being made out of them. So it is what I said is a dream come true for anybody to come to Manipur, look at the things available here, demand anything, we'll make it for you, we'll make the requirements, we'll adapt our handlooms, and our people are so good that they can do it. Our entrepreneurs, especially women and youth, must be at the forefront of this growth story. I am confident that deliberations, networking and collaborations emerging from this summit will translate into meaningful trade, partnerships, export opportunities and investment flows that benefit both Manipur and global business community.